In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use classes in QuickBooks Online. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to streamline your financial organization and improve the way you manage your business accounts. Let's dive in. First, we'll need to get started by signing into QuickBooks. Click on the Sign In button, and once you're prompted, select QuickBooks Online from the options. Enter your credentials, your username and password, and click Continue to log into your account. Having access to the correct account is essential for setting up classes, so be sure you can successfully log in. Once you're logged in, your next step is heading over to the settings. Navigate to the settings option by clicking on the gear icon often found at the top right corner of your dashboard. Now click on Account and Settings. This is where you'll find all the configurations you can adjust for optimal business management. Within your account settings, open the Advanced tab. This section holds many of the deeper settings you'll want to explore. Here, you should locate the Categories section. This is the crucial area for our purposes because it includes the options for classes and locations. In this section, enable both track classes and track locations. These features will allow you to categorize and localize your transactions, enhancing your financial tracking and reporting abilities. After enabling these settings, be sure to click Save to apply your changes. It's essential to save the configuration to ensure that your setup is recorded in QuickBooks. Now it's time to create a new class. This will help you categorize transactions according to different courses or facets of your business, making your accounting far more organized. Go back to the settings and select all lists. Within this area, you will find an option labeled Classes. Click on Classes to reveal your class management options. Once inside the Classes section, click on New. This is your gateway to creating a new class. In the upcoming screen, you'll be prompted to add a name for your class. Choose a name that is descriptive enough to easily identify the category it represents. This name is important as it will appear in your reports and assist you in recognizing the transactions associated with it. Finally, wrap up your setup by clicking Save. This action finalizes the addition of your class to the QuickBooks database. With your new class saved, you can now efficiently categorize transactions under this class, enhancing the clarity and detail of your financial analyses. By following these steps, you've set up an effective way to manage and track different segments of your business transactions in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're dealing with multiple locations or varied business activities, utilizing classes gives you a powerful tool to better understand and control your finances. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you find these QuickBooks features as valuable as I do.